So today, I'm going to be trying to get Discord's rarest ringtone. If you don't know what the ringtone sounds like, it sounds like this. And I only have 1 out of 1,000 chance to get it. So this is the very first call. So now we have 990 more chances to get it. But first I'm gonna have to Alt F4. I'll update you when I called myself 10 times. So this is the 10th time that I've called myself. And I didn't get it. So, my game plan is now to just call myself over and over until I get it. And I know there's a way on the desktop to paste in the command to get the secret ringtone, but I'm not going to be doing that, because why would I? I have almost called myself 20 times and I still haven't gotten it. Which kind of makes sense because it's a 1 out of 1,000 chance. I'm going to be here a while. Okay, now I have literally called myself 20 times, and I still haven't gotten it. Let's just wait until I get to 50. It's already been about 20 minutes, and I only got to 30 calls. This is gonna take a while. I am already starting to get bored, and I only called myself 28 times. This is bad. 29 times, everyone. 29 times. And if you're wondering why I'm Alt F4ing every time, it's because I kinda have to for this to work. Because if you don't restart your Discord over and over, it won't work for some reason. I have literally almost called myself 40 times, and it's been like 40 minutes. This might take 3 hours to do, which if so, I'm gonna have to do this video in multiple parts. Well, you know how I said a couple of seconds ago that it would take a few hours? Well, this happened. Oh my god, guys! I got it! At 38 calls, I actually got it. I actually got it. At 38 calls, oh my god. This isn't fake, I actually got it at 38 calls. Let's go!